Question 11. Now there's a lot of information to digest here, so I think the best thing to do is just pick up the marks where you can. So don't worry if you can't see your way to your end, just pick up the marks that you can. So we've got to work out the total cost for Colin to use his car for work each week. Now his costs are going to be two things. It's going to be the car park and also the mileage. So at the very least you should be able to work out the cost of the car park. So it's £3.50 each day. 5 days he parks in the car park, so the total cost for the car park in a week is 5 lots of £3.50, which is £17.50. Now moving on to the petrol, so let's start off by working how many miles he does in a week. Well, it's the distance from Colin's home to work is 18 miles. He goes there and back each day, so that's 18 times 2, and he does that for 5 days, so 18 times 2 times 5 is 180 miles. So he goes 180 miles in a week. Now we're told that his car uses 1 gallon of petrol every 45.2 miles. So 180 miles divided by 45.2 shows us that he uses 3.982 ... gallons per week. Now that's how many gallons he uses. Now how many litres is that in gallons? Well, the litres is the bigger number, so we're going to have to multiply our number of gallons. So we take our 3.982 gallons, multiply it by 4.546 to give us 18.103 litres. So that's the number of litres he uses, and we multiply this by how much the petrol costs per litre, and that's 136.9 pennies, which is £1.369 in pounds. So 18.103 ... multiplied by 1.369 gives us 24.78 to the nearest penny for the cost of the petrol. So his total cost each week is going to be his petrol cost of £24.78 plus his car park of £17.50, which is £42.28. Sorry if you heard the dog barking all the way through that video.